Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Vera. Today I'll show you how to knit crop top monroe. You can buy this pattern from my web shop. I'll leave a link in the description below the video, if you want to check it out. The top features a deep V neckline. It is comfortable enough to wear all day long and will make you look fantastic. It is a close fit and is true to size. The top is knitted from cotton yarn of the highest quality. Let's get started. Make a slip knot leaving a tail. Using a crochet hook to make a crochet chain. It will be a back strap. Then take away the hook and insert the needle into the loop. Then cast on the other stitches using the cable cast on method. Insert the right needle into the loop. Grab the yarn and pull it out. Put the loop on the left needle. Then insert the right needle between two stitches. Grab the yarn and pull it out. Put the loop on the left needle. And again, insert the right needle between two last stitches. Grab the yarn and pull it out. Put the loop on the left needle. Repeat it for casting on the next stitches. It will be the first cast on row. Then work in garter stitch. In the second row, purl 1, and then knit all stitches until the end of the row. In the third row, slip 1 purlwise and then knit the stitches until the end of the row. Repeat the third row as many times as you need following your size. In the last row, bind off all stitches except the last one. You knit the first stitch, you knit the second stitch. Now you have 2 stitches on your right needle. Take the left needle, put it in the front of the first stitch, and pull it over. Then knit the next stitch. You have 2 stitches on the needle again. Take your left needle into the first stitch and pass it over. You do that until you get to the last stitch on the row. Don't cut the yarn. Make sure that the second back strap will be on the same side as the first one. Take off the needle and insert a hook. Make a crochet chain. It will be the second strap. Take off the hook. Then cut the yarn, leaving a tail. And pull it through. The underbust part is finished. Place 3 markers on the edge where back straps are. Pick up the stitches between the first and the second markers for the first cup of the bodice using a crochet hook. Continue knitting and garter stitch. In the middle of the cup, make decreases using CDD, center double decrease as many times as you need following your size. You have 3 central stitches on your left needle. You slip 2 together knitwise. Not separate, only together. Then knit the next stitch. Then take the tip of your left needle, put it into those 2 stitches and to pull those 2 over. And there we go. Then continue to knit stitches. When you have 3 last stitches on your left needle, slip 2 together knitwise. Knit the next stitch. Then take the tip of your left needle and pull it into those 2 stitches and pull those 2 over. Don't cut the yarn. Take away the needle and insert the hook into the last stitch. Make a crochet chain. It will be the shoulder strap. Cut the yarn leaving a tail. And pull through. The second cup of the bodice is knitted between the second and the third row markers the same way as the first cup, beginning from picking up stitches. Turn the top over, the back should be facing you. Let's begin the crisscross design. Using a crochet hook and the strap tail, to pull the right strap through the loop in the middle of the left edge. And to pull the strap through the bottom corner of the right edge. After that, pull the left strap through the loop in the center of the right edge. And to pull the left strap through the bottom corner of the left side. And there we go. Then attach both shoulder straps to the back side. Unravel the last stitch of the crochet chain. Make sure that the strap is not twisted. Insert the hook from the run side into the edge stitch on the both strands. Grab the chain stitch of the strap and pull it out to the wrong side. Make a crochet chain of 1. and then pull the tail through. Repeat it for another strap. Weave in the ends and cut off any excess yarn. And that's it, your own beautiful crop top Monroe. Thanks for watching.